What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yusuf. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 stocks to buy right now. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about the 4 top stocks that you can buy today that are going up every single day as the market is crashing. So let's get into it. As of past few days, you can clearly see that Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, everything, literally everything has been going down. And a lot of people ask me, hey Yusuf, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna invest into? Is it a great time for me to invest into the stock market right now? And what the way of looking at the stock market now is a lot of the stocks that you can actually purchase completely work inverse and the opposite of what the stock market is doing. A lot of the stocks that actually I was taking a look at right now, a lot of the ones like SQQQ, which is a ProShares ultraPro short, it's been going up 43.74% in just the past week, which is insane. From literally going from let me double check for you just to make sure. It's going from $17.37 all the way to $24 in just 1 week. And that's only one of the stocks that basically it's been going up rapidly in literally 1 week. So the second stock that I wanted to talk about is DRIP. DRIP is also one of the stocks that I truly love, and it's the best timing to buy it is when the stock market is actually selling off. So right now you can purchase it at $202 per share, which is insane, but still it's going to be going up just because the stock market is selling off, everything is going down. It's going to be perfect timing for you to actually buy into it. And then the third stock is going to be DGAZ. DGAZ is basically one of the companies or one of the natural gas stocks that actually was completely opposite of the stock market, and for today only it went up 13.49%, which is insane. It just went up almost $39 in a single day. And if you actually take a look at the whole basically whole week, it just went up 28% for the week, which when you actually look at this chart and you're like, how is it going up so quickly when everything is selling off? Well guys, you're in it for the best, just because every time the stock market is selling off, these three are going up. So your fourth and your final is going to be DWT, which is also VelocityShare triple, which actually it's actually one of my favorite, just because the stock is actually at $7.45 now, and it's very affordable for a lot of you guys, beginner trader, that you want to trade into and also be able to purchase the whole stock, because a lot of these stocks are not available in the Cash App. So you won't be able to basically do fractional sales and buy into these stocks. So you have to go through Robinhood. As you can see right now it's $7.45, and this one again for the whole week it went up 44.38%, which is insane amount to basically for stock to go up in a week. And this is the trend that you're gonna be seeing, just because everything is being sell off, everything is selling into the actual stock market because of the coronavirus. So this is gonna be perfect for the days that you see a lot of the stocks going down and a lot of them are being sell off. So just to give you one more bonus, that I think it's a great stock for a lot of you beginners that you're looking for something that is actually it's ramping up. And the fourth, or actually the fifth one, it's gonna be the UVXY. UVXY, it's been also one of my favorites. Today's volume alone was 77 million. So it's insane amount of volume. All the big boys are buying it. And if you actually take a look at it, for the whole past week, it's been going up 86%, which is insane. All the way from $12 to $22. So this is a great time to buy any of these stocks today, as the stock market is being sell off, as everything is being like going down like crazy, this would be the opportunity for you to actually gain momentum back in the stock market and make your money off of it while everything else is being sell off. And hopefully you guys are able to find this stock. I'm gonna link put the names and the links on the bottom. Again, don't forget, if you sign up with Robinhood, you get 1 free stock to click on the link on the bottom. Webull also gives you 2 free stocks, so if you sign up with my link on the bottom, you get 2 free stocks with Webull. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button on the bottom, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and hope to see you guys soon again. Ciao.